Hello, thank you for watching this DVD. My name is Mark de Turk and I'm from Brussels, Belgium. I trained personally more than 30,000 managers and I helped 800 companies to redress in 25 countries. In the next 20 modules, for which you can subscribe individual per module or for the whole package, I will give you data which is based on my personal experience and data on the works of Mr. Lafayette Ron Hubbard. Now, Mr. Lafayette Ron Hubbard, he is the founder of Scientology, as you know. At the same time, he also wrote a whole encyclopedia on management. He basically founded what we call the Hubbard Management System. Now, the Hubbard Management System is a technology, meaning it is an exact way to get results. If today you do A plus B, you will have result C. If tomorrow you do again A plus B, you will have the same result. So there is an exact, precise way in management on how to grow and prosper. And this exact way, or this Hubbard Management System, is improving conditions worldwide. Today, approximately 120,000 companies worldwide use parts of those systems or the whole system. In the next 20 modules, you will have for each problem, at least what I've observed, each problem in an organization, you will have a basic solution. Of course, every of those modules has to be followed by a more advanced module, which we don't give on internet, but for which you will have to contact us. We can then help you with in-house training or corporate training, or we can help you with coaching and consulting, or just we can help you with some books and some courses you can yourself follow. So, I would like to welcome you in our different modules on management. You can just watch them at your ease, write some exercises, write as if you have questions, or go further according to your wishes. I wish you success in your endeavor and may your company never be the same again. Thank you very much.